Rice. I mean it all over rice. Rice. The other white meat. Have Gifty rice. No.
What is KingFish doing?
Yeah.
So this is tomato paste.
Tomato paste.
Yeah. So this is what we use for jollof rice. I can also add fresh tomato, like I'll grind fresh tomato, but in this one I'm not adding it. I'm just using just the tomato
Just
paste.
the tomato paste.
Yeah. So I'm adding my oil, and of course, what is jollof rice without
Is it a
no
bouillon
chicken? This is seasoning cube. This is seasoning cube, but it's the no. They have the beef and the chicken and crayfish, but this is chicken, not seasoning cube. You guys have something. Okay, we'll talk about this later. This is gari.
Gary.
For drinking, cassava flakes. Don't worry, we'll talk about it. We'll talk about it later.
There's so much I have to learn.
Yeah, with groundnut. I'm sure you would. Sugar, you add sugar or milk, but I like sugar with salt without milk. So it's your choice. Either sugar and milk.
Is my mic on? Isaiah. D-Mark. Hey, bitch, I wasn't in the kitchen learning how to make it. I'm in here with Chef Gifty.
Oh,
About to get my jollof rice on.
oh my God.
Let's go. Isaiah, she using more onions than mine. Just saying.
Oh my God. Are you like this?
Yeah. Because they had it before me.
Okay. I'll just add the tomato paste.
And then I
Okay,
can
so I'm
have
going
it.
to add the Benny chicken stock.
Oh.
Just a little of it. You can use this to steam chicken also.
Now, that's not the same as the bouillon. It's not the same as the other thing you put in there. The bouillon
No,
cube
no,
is totally different.
no. That one is seasoning sweet.
Oh, it's sweet.
Yeah.
This one is savory.
This is
That's
spicy.
consistent. It's spicy, yeah?
Spicy. No, it's not spicy. It gives it a
Oh,
color. It
spicy.
has chili, onions, everything blended
Okay.
in one. Yeah. This is
QueenFish
curry.
doesn't. Oh, the curry,
Curry powder.
Okay.
This is grounded pepper. I'll just add a little to it. It's very hot. So now I'm going to pour in my washed rice into the sauce and add some water. This is hot water. You can also use cold water. This, do you know what that is?
I don't remember the name.
Okay, let's say this is semu.
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 Yeah, you can call it semu or poundo. But what I use to make this is all-purpose flour.
Okay. So it's like a dough.
Yeah, dough.
Now, ideally, it should be eba,
Gari,
cassava.
And then the jollof rice.
Jollof rice.
Star of the show.
The star of the show right there.
and last but not the least, my special fried rice.
Fried rice. Good job, chef. Good job, chef.
Thank you.
Kapunaka.
Kapunka. Semu.
Semu.
Semu. Which I like.
Chef, explain to me what egusi is.
Egusi is a grounded melon. It's melon.
It's melon.
Yeah, so you grind it and then cook with it.
What
Okay,
kind
it's
of
bringing the
like
raw.
like a fruit.
So it's
Is a
think watermelon seeds,
Okay.
but not that
or
regular
no
watermelon.
bigger than watermelon,
So
just
the
like it, but it's
different
white.
melon brand. So that's
White. So you peel it off the scale,
And then you grind
and then
it.
you
Oh,
grind
yeah,
it.
Oh, wow.
Okra.
And then the okra soup.
Just eat.
Okra.
Your hands are clean, so now you just need to wet it.
Just
wet.
one hand.
Just wet.
Because
The one
yeah,
gonna
the one you're
use,
eating to
you're
eat.
lefty, so use your left. Again, you should have to go watch your hands.
Okay, I have washed though. You take a little, depending on some guys, their own is bigger, and then you mold it round.
And then you dip it in the soup.
Like a cup, like you put like a little
Yeah,
shell.
yeah. Some people will like press it like this so that the soup can stay on it. Yeah.
Semantics, physics. Which one should I try first?
Anyone. Make sure the soup touches it properly.
You can take enough. This is some dried fish in
Well,
there.
okay, I was gonna say, is this fish?
Now, some people would chew it, but that's the wrong way to eat. Some people chew it, some people, but you swallow. You're meant
There's
to
no right
swallow.
way. Do whatever your throat tells you to do.
Like my daughters, they just chews, but actually swallows.
Oh,
Yeah.
No, you chew when you have fish and meat.
When
That's
you-
when you chew.
But if you're a pro, you can swallow the eba alone, and then the fish will still be in your mouth while you chew it. Yeah.
Oh, okay, that's gone.
Yeah. It went in together.
Definitely a different flavor, but that's
that's
good.
the fish. What kind of fish is it?
So I use dried fish from Bangkok.
Salted?
No, not salted, just dried. Just dried.
Wow.
So yeah.
But you also have stockfish, which is salted.
So I added
Yeah,
stockfish. Stockfish
Show you.
messed up, so they will want to put so that it clean. That's the okra. Take no. That's
Just
soup. Take
some
soup.
more okra.
Take soup.
Yes, exactly.
I've never had okra like that.
They bring-
I've only
bring
had
the
fried
top.
okra. Yeah. I've never had okra.
Take it closer to you.
I can't get it. Can't get it.
I know.
There's some adds to it.
I guess
And you really-
Yeah. Not too.
They will bring
it's a
the
little
veg.
spicy.
No,
Not-
this
not-
one's spicy. This is not spicy.
This is also spicy.
No, I didn't
I
spicy.
tasted more in this one,
I got spicy.
but this one's my favorite.
Oh.
I like
This one has more chili spice.
This one.
Okay. No.
Well, that
This
is
I use
spicy.
fresh chili. This one I
Oh,
use
maybe
just
that's
dry.
why. That's
Yeah.
why. It's stronger in this one.
This one is mild. It's very soft
You don't know how to use it.
and herbal. So I have to wet my fingers in there, right?
Yes. Make it easy. No, don't dry when you wet it.
This is what?
I licked my fingers, so I gotta wash my hands.
Now that's the real way. That's how
You're meant to
you
lick.
don't get to put.
You're
So
Nigerian.
every time you do this, you kind of so your finger stays just and then you eat way faster than.
Your hands have to be
now we're talking.
dirty.
There's
You
no
can't be
way around it.
eating. Yeah, your hands have to be dirty. So when you're done eating, you go
Then you
wash
wash your
with
hands.
soap. Yeah.
You're in New York now. Let us stress as New Yorkers. Eat as New Yorkers.
This is good.
Oh, so you prefer that one?
So he can have that one.
Okay.
Well done.
There's more of
Are you
both.
eating?
There's more, but no, we have more. So
He said, "Are
What?
you all eating?"
You're eating.
No.
Not eating.
there's
No.
more. There's more. Just have
Oh,
fun.
good.
Eat as much as you want. And everything.
Good.
So it's fish in this one as well.
Yes. So fish, stockfish. What did I? Chicken carcass. Just for the fun of
So I mean,
it.
that's where typically
Cinnamon?
you would have goats. No
Cinnamon? No. So you lick it. Lick
It's
it.
almost
Okay.
You lick it.
Mhm.
it's like a cinnamony, raisiny smell.
No. I'm sure it's
What is
this
this herb?
Yeah.
atama.
Mm.
Originally, it is green and fresh, but you dry it, put it out in the sun, it get dried, and then you cut it. Or after cutting, you dry it in the sun, and then it turns like this. So this can stay as long as you
Right
want.
here.
No. I came back.
that
So
one.
this is what I added to the okra soup.
There's more of both, so you just have a second serving of either.
How?
You like it? I'm so happy. I'm so happy.
Now I understand why platanos is so great with this. I understand.
Why what?
Platanos. Plantain.
Okay.
The sweetness was really, but this soup is complex. It's not a simple soup.
No, it's
There's a lot of flavors going on.
Yeah.
You can add a mushroom, shrimps.
Don't change anything.
They haven't touched the rice. Like this is best.
I feel like the
Yeah,
house is gonna go home with them.
Wow.
I know.
It's funny how both of you are picking different. Like she picked this one.
That's good too. But this, oh my goodness.
Oh my god!
Okra soup.
Like this is actually the first time I added that leaf to it, and I was like, "Wow, babe, it is really good."
Mm-hmm.
Ready for the next?
I'm going right here.
Okay, so now you get to wash
Okay,
your hands.
go and wash your hands. Then.
So now you wash your hands with soap and or you do that exactly.
Nigerian.
Now you're Nigeria, that's it.
Nigerian.
That's what they would do.
Oh, yeah.
She didn't even eat the chicken. Oh, you're not done? Oh, you washed your hands.
You revisit it.
Why? Just keep it for you by the side.
Oh, yeah, don't go far.
Carry it up with the.
I feel like that's great.
I hope he hasn't got too cold. Is it good?
They don't eat hot food.
Chef.
She don't like that one.
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes to what?
So that's the jollof
The
rice.
jollof rice. Yes. This is good. This
It's good.
This is good.
Oh my god!
I could just eat a bowl of this.
So that's the chef.
Good.
I'm shy.
It's good. For me, it's a little
Spicy. Okay, so here's the trick.
So you pair it
You
with
pair it with that. That's cold, so it helps tone it down.
Now, just disclaimer to her, this isn't spicy at all.
Yeah.
Like chili, it's
So when I'm making for people, I make sure I tone it down.
Oh,
Yeah, so that.
doesn't have as much.
Oh, it smells so good.
Yeah, put a little bit.
She says very little.
It was very little.
She'll probably put 3 times what she
Yeah,
puts.
together.
Coconut.
Chai.
So that's the secret to her.
That's why it is called
Sure.
special.
Yeah, that's the chef.
Hey!
Hold on, I gotta taste it now. Come on.
That coconut with the corn,
Mm.
and then the carrot comes in later. Mm.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is money.
Yes.
This
Yes.
is money. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Kind of sweet, savory.
Yeah.
Soft, spicy. It's a good. Oh.
I've never had rice like that. That's good.
This is dangerous. This will put someone to sleep.
That's good. And then this, eating with the salad helped me. For
Yeah.
me.
Like
But
my brain right now is
yeah, my
confused
mouth is like, whoa.
because I don't know what I would eat with it. It stands alone by itself.
Which this one?
Both.
Both of them.
But
Yes.
so you can eat
this one plantain
separately. You can
and
also pair.
salad.
Oh,
This
Okay.
one salad, proteins, chicken, fish.
Yeah. See, either
This
one,
one
you
they
don't miss the meat
they don't add plantain to
Oh,
this,
no,
but
'cause
it's your choice
yes.
if you want
because it's
to.
already sweet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right.
Now there's something called smoky jollof. Smoky jollof just takes we Nigerians back to our roots in the
So you're
village.
cooking on the open
Firewood.
Yeah, yeah.
Ooh.
You're a chef.
Yeah.
Ooh.
That's why I like it.
You know what you're doing, chef.
Oh my god.
Why are you buying it?
To think that my heart was
That's the real test right there. Who needs chicken?
It's chicken.
Okay. Like you eat chicken every day, every other day.
Yeah. I don't know which one I like better.
You don't know?
They're just two different meals.
Choose ye this day whom you choose.
I choose Jesus. I'm afraid I get
Disciples,
both
like
right.
his disciples.
Yeah. I'm gonna 2 by 2.
Gee.
What do you want?
Isaiah, you didn't get all this.
Neither did you, D-Mark.
Judy, Mark. Plate number 2.
Drink number 2.
We've been like stepping out and eating all these different like Thai food, but this is so like refreshing, right? Refreshing to have just your food and you put your love in there. I can tell it's so good. Oh my gosh, I just don't even know.
How does this taste like home? And I've never been to Africa.
Because she cooked with her heart.
Wow.
That's what makes the difference.
Oh,
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you.
you're welcome.
Yeah.
We are glad. We are
Yeah,
glad.
this is Yeah.
Gifty.
No, good girl.
Please don't set me up.
This is brilliant. Rice. I mean it all over rice. Rice. The other white meat. I expected this just by what I saw you cooking. So in my mind, it was okay. I think I
Kind
know
of knew
what this
what
is.
you were expecting.
Kind of tomato beers, little savory. Okay, this and that.
But we had
This
no
was a
idea.
total
what this
surprise. This was like, oh, you like jollof rice? Have Gifty rice. No.